Look at your reflection in a window. Are your shoulders rounded? Is your chin jutting forward? This isn't just bad posture, it's tech neck. For every inch your head moves forward, it adds 10 pounds of pressure to your spine. You are literally crushing your nervous system, cutting off oxygen to your brain, and making yourself look a decade older and less confident. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that poor posture isn't just about back pain. It compresses your lungs, reducing oxygen intake by 30%. This is why you feel brain fog at your desk. Your brain is suffocating, but your spine is adaptable. You can reverse years of damage with a simple Neuro-Alignment exercise. To fix this, use the wall reset. Stand with your heels, glutes, and head against a wall. Tuck your chin in and slide your arms up and down like a wall angel for 2 minutes. This resets your proprioception, your brain's internal map of where your body is. Do this once a day and you'll breathe deeper, think faster, and stand taller. Stand tall, live longer. Subscribe to the Ageless Brain Lab for more simplified longevity science. Stay sharp.